Not too bad today. The humidity is still pretty high, but is there a chance that we're going to get a break here soon?
Well, compared to yesterday, we've seen a break. I mean, yesterday was just so humid. So today a little bit better. The problem is we've got another hot and humid day again tomorrow. We do have some better weather out ahead of us, but a few storms possible tonight, mainly up north this time. Very hot for Thursday, and scattered storms a little bit more likely by this weekend, and that'll more than likely help to temper things down heat-wise, down into the upper 80s and low 90s for highs by the weekend. A look up north in Jackson County from the Prairie Band Casino. Just a couple of clouds out there. A few thin clouds over Manhattan as well. And generally speaking, we've seen sunny skies as a look from our West Topeka weather cam. The clouds earlier have since thinned out and moved away as temperatures right now in the capital city are at 94 degrees. The heat index, notice, at least in Topeka, only goes up a couple of degrees to 96. It is currently calm. There's a little area of dry air sitting right over some of the central counties. It's 90 at Burlington, 90 at Hiawatha, 94 for Manhattan over to the Topeka area, but then there's this little area of drier air with dew points in the 60s. Yesterday it was upper 70s, so that's a big difference. And then 70s, mid 70s kind of surrounding for the eastern and southern counties right now, still driving the heat index to 100 at Emporia, despite the fact it's cooler at low 90s at Emporia and Burlington. It feels hotter than it does at Billard Airport and Topeka. And again, it's all that humidity that gets factored in. And by 6 o'clock this evening, still lower 100 south and northeast with upper 90s just about everywhere else. Now the heat index tomorrow near 80 in the morning, and then by midday upper 90s. Looks a little hotter for tomorrow afternoon as we don't see that pocket of drier air sitting over us. We see heat index values climbing up again near, if not slightly higher than 105 degrees for late in the afternoon tomorrow. But look at this on Friday, lower 90s. So there is some relief coming in by the tail end of the week and on into the weekend. Skies cleared from some late night, early morning clouds and showers and storms for some. Clouds were over a large area, but all that rain is now pushed well to the east even of St. Louis. Now we're looking at a few scattered storms developing pretty far north in Nebraska. Some of these may try to form a little farther south, and you may see a little bit of that clip the northern counties. A look at future track. Cloud cover starts to move in over the northern counties late tonight with a chance for a couple of showers or storms after midnight. And then we're back to sunshine through the daytime tomorrow as temperatures once again warm up. We may start with some clouds scattered around 77 in the morning, topping out at 96. Could see the eastern counties especially see heat index 105 to perhaps as high as 109 degrees. Your 7-day forecast, 96 for the high tomorrow, 92 on Friday, and the humidity comes down a little bit. And a chance for scattered storms Saturday, Sunday, and Monday with highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s. And we kind of hold at that level, much more tolerable range of heat as we head into the early half of next week as well. Here's a look at some of the storms this morning up north from Brittany Lot in Netawaka, also in Fairview from Riley Wells. Some of the lightning from the morning thunderstorms, you could see them from Shawnee County, although that was as the clouds were clearing out from Leonard and Irene Cardwell. And a hummingbird stopping by in Rossville from Jim Fry. Nice summer scene there.
Yes, and the birds are back. We love bird pictures.
That's right. And today not as bad of a day to get out and enjoy it. Wasn't quite as stifling as yesterday, but tomorrow looks to be pretty hot.
All right, prepare.